Yeah, man. This is your girl, Auntie Claire, you know. Me I do up me two local fish them. Yes, me real. God bless this morning, right? Thank you. So, I'm doing some sinapa fish, cleaning them up. You can see. And today, Friday, you can see the way I clean them up. Snapper. Your girl Auntie Claire and see me soup. Open soup. Some nice chicken soup. Right?
Yes.
We just boil some chicken soup. And I'm doing the fish. This is way how me do my fish. Me have to clean it up. Your girl Auntie Claire. So who don't subscribe, share, like, and tell a friend, touch the notice button. And like it, share it. Tell everyone about Auntie Claire cooking channel. This is the way we do with fish, you know. Who don't know, try and like it. And share, like, subscribe to the channel, Auntie Claire cooking channel. Who don't know about Auntie Claire cooking channel, you can touch the notice button. Remember to touch it. Don't pass it by. Touch it, like it. Subscribe and like and share. Every day I do this. This is my living. God bless kitchen. House of love. God bless kitchen. Love, share, subscribe. Never leave the notice button.
Never.
Never. Touch it. Tell your friend to tell a friend. Tell your brother, Ozzy, everyone.
Your wife, your cousin, every
Single one. You can share, like, and subscribe. This is the way Auntie Claire do his fish. I always do it like this. Never stop. So touch the notice button. Always share it and like it. Nice big fish. Look at it. Him looking at you. Look at him. See? Big snapper. Look at him. Big snapper.
Whoa.
Yeah. Wow, look at it. Touch the notice button, like them. See it? Clean them out good and pretty. You know? And I'm gonna season them just now. So you can see how I season them. Put on the season on them. You know? This is the way Auntie Claire do his thing. Proper. I do it the proper way. Never stop. Okay? I never stop. I always do this one. So this is the way I do the cooking. So now you can see how I do it. Is big fish. Look. This is some big fish. Yeah. See them? Big. Let me get the season. You're gonna see my fish season. Fish season. I can get out my fish season. Yes. I'm gonna put in the fish season in there. Yeah.